Alright, well, it definitely looks like we have a little bit of a clog going on there. So let's go ahead and clean that up. So usually when you have a clog, it's the P-trap right here that you want to clean out. So I'm just going to unscrew these two parts and see what we got in there. Okay, and then just pull this down. Look, a little dirty, a little bit of a smell, which is to be expected. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour this outside. But actually looking at the P-trap here, doesn't really, I don't really see any clogs in here. So I'm gonna clean it out anyways, but yeah, I don't see any buildup, any actual thing to cause it to clog. So I'm thinking there's probably something else going on in here. Go ahead and check the rest of this, and let's see here. Oh yeah, that's okay. All the buildup and the smell is right in here. So you can see the buildup, all that buildup right in there, and some more buildup over there on this other side. So I'm gonna take this out, blast it out with the hose, all this gunk in there, and then it should be good to go after that. But let's see, let's look at this. Oh yeah, see, there it is. There's the clog right there. Yeah, so I'll just blast this out with the hose, and then we should be good to go. Let's see here. I actually have some buildup in this part as well, so I might as well just take this part off also and get that cleaned out. Oh yeah. Look at that. Whole bunch of buildup in there too. Then there's some buildup in there, if you guys can see that. So I'll probably be snaking that just to clean everything out at this point. See, this one was pretty built up. So this one's nice and cleared out now. Next part is this right here. Yeah, whatever that is, it's like a fur ball. It's probably just a buildup of like fats and whatnot. Alright, so that looks pretty good. Like everything's just about been cleared out. So I'm gonna dry these off and put them back on. Alright, so next I'm gonna clean out this part right here. This one's also dirty as well, but I cannot detach this one because this needs to the main sewer line. And if you don't have one of these, I would totally recommend investing in a snake. This is probably one of the most useful tools that I have. So I'm just gonna go ahead, pulls out, and then you just snake it through, and then spin it around. Try to get some whatever you can out of there. everything in there looks pretty loose. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to put some paper towels down. This has a great smell, by the way, if you're curious. No, seriously, it just smells like, if you've never done this before, it just smells like straight vomit. But I'm really not hitting much resistance, which is a good thing. So, means I don't really have any, shouldn't really have any clogs. Alright, well, that's pretty good. No more, doesn't seem to be any more clogs. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean this up, clean my tool off, sanitize this a bit, and then put the pipes back. Clean this as much as I can, at least here. Alright, so now just put everything back. So first piece. So this little green part right here, this is ultimately what creates the seal with the opening here of this pipe, and then this just locks it in place. So I'm going to push this down a little bit. Or I should say I'm going to bring it up a little bit. Insert that. I'm going to go and press it in, and then now I'm going to go ahead and start locking that up. Okay, get that about hand tight. Now I'm going to do the same thing on with this piece here. I'm going to pull up these little green bands up first, slightly. Line up my pipes here. Okay, and I'm going to press down, and then screw this on tight. Okay, let's get it right there. Then same thing with this piece here. Okay. That goes on here tight. And then this one, because the way this part right here is actually tapered, this sits inside of the opening for the P-trap. So this one doesn't actually need that little band, that little green band. To be sure that it sits inside. Right there. See, this one is pretty good here. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and turn on the water and make sure that nothing leaks here. Kind of not sure how well you guys can see that, but you can actually somewhat see the water flowing through the pipe here. You can actually see it down here, the water flowing through the pipe. That's looking pretty good. Okay. So now I'm gonna, so right now it's coming down the left side, so I'm gonna have the water come down to the right side. See the water flowing from the right side now. Doesn't look like there's any obstructions. Water's flowing nicely. Not seeing any leaks. With the light on, you can actually see all the way down to the pipe, but good. No more obstructions. Water's flowing nicely down the pipes. So hopefully you guys ended up finding this video useful. Thanks for checking out another episode of Household Journeys. My name is Fabian. Take care, people.